To add quizzes to your videos in Panopto, open your course and go to Panopto Video on the left side menu. Find the video to which you're going to add a quiz. Hover over it and click on the Edit button to go to the editing panel. In the left navigation menu, click on Quizzes. Click in the timeline to navigate to the place in the video where you would like to insert a quiz. The red vertical line will indicate where the quiz will be added in the video. Then click Add a Quiz on the top. Select your quiz type from the drop-down menu on the right. You can create true or false, multiple choice, multiple select, and fill in the blank questions. To create a multiple choice question, type your quiz title on the top, type the question in the question box, and write potential answers to that question in the fields provided. Click Add Answer if there are more than 2 potential answers. Specify the correct answer by checking the circle next to it. To add another quiz, click Add a Question, otherwise click Done. To create a true or false quiz, select True or False from the drop-down menu and follow the previous instructions. Type your question in the question box and specify the correct answer. It's also possible to create a multiple select question. Type your question in the question box and then specify all possible answers to that question. In this case, there are more than one answer to a question, so don't forget to check them all. Click Done if you don't have any other questions to add. Before finalizing your quiz, it's possible to let viewers retake the test, view their grades after taking the test, review correct answers and explanations, or block advancing in the video until they answer that question. Check any of these options that you prefer for your quiz and click Finish at the end. Now let's take a look at the quiz.
Myth number 2. Eating local honey helps relieve allergy symptoms. I wish it was true, but unfortunately this one is a fiction.
When you see this screen, you have to answer the quiz. Select the correct answer and click Finish to see the result. Depending on your quiz settings, it's possible to retake the quiz, review the answers and explanations, or just continue the video.
There's been a lot of buzz around this idea because bees collect pollen from local plants and use it to create their honey, and therefore it could help build up your immunity to those local allergens. Believe it or not, flower pollen is actually one of the least common allergens.
Answer all incoming quizzes and click Finish to see the result. In case you couldn't give a correct answer to a question, it's possible to retake that quiz and correct your answer. And then click Continue to get back to the video.
What really triggers most people's seasonal allergies are pollens from trees, grass, and weeds, which won't be found in your local honey.
Complete all the quizzes that are provided in your video lecture and enjoy learning. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quizzes.